Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Robinhood. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Robinhood on someone else's mobile device, but you want to go ahead and log out. How do you actually go ahead and sign out of Robinhood? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and access the Robinhood app. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the bottom right-hand corner, the profile icon of the person. And then from this page here, you want to go ahead and click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. And then from here, the next thing that you're going to do is scroll all the way down, and then you should see a logout button. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.